One of the things that about community newspapers that the metropolitans can't possibly hope to attain is the proximity that we have to our audience, not just in editorial terms, but in advertising terms, in our delivery, in the physical communication that we have between our audience and our newspaper. A marvellous example of this, it was the grandfather Lollipop Man. He said to us, "How could you possibly know that this was my birthday?" And of course my reporter said, "Well, you know, we're the local newspaper, you know, we know everything." So we took the photograph and ran it on the front page of the newspaper, put it on our website, put it on our Facebook site. Before we knew it, we were absolutely flooded with birthday messages for Charles, the 92-year-old. So this is an example of how close we are to the community that we serve. And that's the beauty of a community newspaper. We're telling our audience in news and advertising and everything else what is very close to me. News Local, which has 20 publications around Sydney and the Central Coast, did a very extensive survey to try to discover what people really wanted to read in their local newspaper. But we found very quickly that these were concentric circles. The first circle was really my house and my street, and the second circle after that was my neighbourhood, and the third circle after that was the council area or the political electorate, then the metropolitan area. After that, they're pretty much off the radar. They're not really interested, as interested in things that are happening beyond those couple of inner circles, and therefore this is where we're at. We're right at the centre of all of those concentric circles. They want to know where the roundabout's going to be. Why aren't they fixing my potholes? You know, who's building next door? Why isn't that tree coming down? And that kind of, and that's what we cover at a very hyper-local level. And to me, this is why the community newspaper can grab its audience and hold them in a very tight grip. The metropolitan newspapers cover generic news, general news. They have lots of pictures of the new babies at the Taronga Zoo. These are okay. But when you come back to the survey of what people want, you still have to come back to this inner circle. Taronga Zoo's a long way from Eastwood. They're not here, we are. So the community newspaper works.